Hello everyone. So before kicking off the CKS series, I want to do a little introduction about who I am and what I do. So my name is Hanzala Mohammed, and my background in this is that I'm a DevOps slash platform engineer. I have over 3 years experience, and my qualifications also follow as having Bachelor's of Science honors degree in computer science, and more importantly, I also have a qualified teacher status in England as well. So I am qualified to teach as well, and my certifications in this, I have already got the Kubernetes CKA, the CKAD, and also the CKS, which is what we'll be covering in this playlist. And also I have the AWS DevOps Professional certification as well. So why watch my CKS series? Well, I'm going to break down complex topics like app armor, the network policies, into real hands-on examples that make sense. And if you want a clear, practical, and structured content to help you master the CKS, then this series is definitely going to be for you. And more importantly, if you are also using the core cloud and some of the lab contents from there, I'm going to be going over a lot of them so you can see how to answer them and to understand how to answer them in the exam as well. So what will be the requirements? Well, depending on what we are using in the video, you will need to be able to access those courses or labs to follow along. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.